So step 1 is we're going to use the blue thread to sew the pink pocket together with a running stitch. So once we get to the top, we're going to sew the two pieces together, and it's okay if it's not completely flat. Next, we're going to lay the pink pocket on top of the blue body piece, keeping the stitch holes on top of each other. And then using the blue thread, we're going to sew the pocket piece onto the body piece with a running stitch. And make sure you start at the right corner and then make your way around. Next, we're going to lay the two pink circles on top of the body piece around the tail, keeping the stitch holes on top of each other. And then we're going to use the blue thread to sew an X across stitch. So you're going to go over and then under, and then over. And then there should be an X. And then you do that with both pieces. Next, we're going to insert the black eye pieces into the holes on the front. And then we're going to turn the body piece over and place the clear plastic circles over the back of the eyes. And then you're going to push down until you hear a click, meaning the eyes are secure. And then you're going to repeat that with the other eye. Now we're going to fold the body piece over, make sure the stitch holes match up, and then we're going to take the pink thread and start sewing around the edge with a running stitch. And make sure you're sewing on the side closest to the eye with the pink pocket, so that once we get there, we're going to need to cut it off and restart the stitch. So now you're just going to restart the running stitch, and then you're going to keep doing a running stitch around the edge until you get to the point where we're going to need to start adding the cotton. After you're about this much done with sewing the seahorse together, we're going to start adding the cotton. At this point, we can use the binder clips as an optional step for easier sewing. And then now we're just going to finish sewing the body piece together. Now we're going to cut a strand of your small beaded strand. Make sure it's the small beaded strand to fit the instruction book from top to bottom. Now we're going to thread the beaded strand through the hole on top of the seahorse, and then we're going to connect the two ends of the beaded strand using the small connecting clasp. And then the last step is to put the seahorse, the little seahorse, in the pocket. And now you have your adorable little seahorse!